Good morning, good morning, good morning, everybody. The sun is blinding me. Welcome back to Shan Zenzen Jamaican Vibes. And I have some update on what's been going on with my sweet potatoes. So let's see what's going on. Alright, so this is what has taken place since the last video. We ran some barbed wire. Hold on, let me step over. This is what I'm stepping over, guys. Because I have not made up the gate as yet. So, we have fenced around my sweet potato farm. As you can see, we have fencing going all the way around. Alright, let's go down there where Scotty is, so I can update you even further. Alright, so we run some barbed wires, and what we're going to do, we need some more posts, and what we're going to do is run some more wires and run them closer and lower to the ground so no animal can go underneath it and come in the farm and destroy the crops. Alright, so these barbed wires actually cost a pretty penny because I didn't know that they were so pricey. The big roll of barbed wire is $14,200 and the small roll is $7,000, and I had to buy a big roll and a small roll to fence around this area. Alright, but wait, I'm passing the pumpkins. Look at how the pumpkins are looking great, guys. They're really striving. And there's another pumpkin there. That's the cocoa. Hallelujah. This is a melon here. Whole lot of cocoa. And of course the sweet potato that is looking so beautifully. Alright. Scotty is there chopping down some trees because that area that he had chopped down, we're going to open a gate from the fence to go over that area, and then we're going to fence off that area by itself also. But because we don't have all the funds right now to do all the fencing at once, we're just doing it. We just fence off this area, and then further on we can do that side. We have some more pumpkin down here coming up, and yeah, so I have secured my property, secured my farm, and we are going to sow some carrot seed this morning because at the bottom side here we are going to plant some carrots. Alright, that's what we're going to do. We're going to plant some carrots down here. And what is up there chopping down the trees. Let's see if I can step over. There's a lot of farm. Okay. Scotty Moss. Chopping down trees, sir? Yeah. Yes. These potatoes down here not getting enough sunlight, so it's yeah.
What you say?
No man, you're far from me. Oh, you chopped down this one already?
Yeah. Just go look for all of them. We have to chop everything from this side.
Yeah.
Because it don't make sense. We just drop them there and let them know.
Right.
Because this a shade that direction the same way.
Yeah.
So we just look for and say, alright, cut off the whole of this.
I need a chainsaw, guys, because I want to cut out all of that. All of those trees you see up there. I want to cut it out and push the farm up. And all of these trees down on this side, I want to cut it out as well. And push that side of the farm further down. So this is the area that Scotty had cut down. And yesterday Scotty saw some seeds.
Yeah.
Some red onion seeds. So I am definitely happy about that. But we're not going to put the red onion over here. We're going to put it in front of my house. And we're going to put it on drip. So a gentleman from up by Aisha too gonna come down here and deal with that part for me as well. Careful enough, Scotty. And so guys, here's another pumpkin on the stones, on the rocks. This is a different variety of pumpkin. I think this one grows like a yellow skin. And these are melons. Melon them running off now. And the potatoes them looking beautiful. Scotty, people can't believe say I know 2 months, you know.
2 months, man, I did only 2 months.
I know fully 2 months yet all now.
October just done.
Uh-huh. Wow. Sweet potato them healthy.
Can't believe say this thing gone so already.
Not true.
Most spiritual go beer. Why kick off so healthy?
Not true. The vine them just thick and shiny and healthy. Like the machete one sharp, Scotty. Very good. Okay.
Go on, man. You understand too, you know?
Yeah. Yes, guys, so yeah, this little part here one weed out Scotty. Huh? Even up there, so cause me think me I go plant something up on the side there. Yeah. Cause something can plant there. The breeze nice and cool this morning in Scotty. It's a beautiful morning on the farm. Yes guys, so we have basically secured the farm. And as we said, we're going to make an opening here to enter over that side, and we're going to fence off that side as well. So we're going to secure it on every angle. Duck hands up in that tree there, no? That you're standing on.
Passing road.
Eh?
Can I fall upon the mess and come up in it?
Oh yeah, job tree, man. Yes, so we're giving the farm some more sunlight. No more shades. Up that side, I forgot chop out when Scotty ready for plant up over here because it's too shady. Do me I beg you be careful, Scotty.
Yeah man, we are skilling doing this.
Your skill, I say you're still in that area. Huh?
What we do?
Uh-huh.
This one we stand up and make a cut it a bit shorter.
Oh,
Step. Make a step in.
yeah. Sweet potato, them boy. Scotty, me feel so blessed and happy about the sweet potato. I can't stop talking about it.
Yeah, the best man. Any of someone people are talk about here.
Not true.
Steady.
Me know Aisha must proud. Drop it again. No more shade.
This is it.
A little more sunlight in my life.
We cut the right through this.
Yes, guys, so we are expanding the farm. We have secured the farm, and now we're giving the farm some more sunlight. So that's the latest on my farming and my farming journey on my sweet potato and other farms.
Fine.
Yeah, sweet potato look bad, bad, bad. It look good and it look bad. Yes, we have to say praises to the Most High, man. For real, Scotty. But Scotty, you look like you have blessed hands too, man.
Yeah, man. When I plant, when I hand touch,
Yeah,
it don't come to something. Everything that I put prosperous. You have to get something.
yeah,
I mean, I come in from blessing from the old people them days.
yeah,
Anytime you give people things or do flavor for people,
yeah,
and then use a word, God bless you.
yes,
God bless you.
yes,
God bless you, my dear. God bless you, my grandson.
yeah,
God bless you, lady.
yes,
That is coming like a free issue. That's anything you put on.
yes,
You restoring a blessing on you.
right,
So even if a corn grain just drop out of your hand and it go up on a holy ground
yeah.
and you don't sink it, yeah, get something.
Okay. Blessings still a come.
Yeah, man. You don't plant the seed and you drop on it. Blessing you.
Yeah. So guys, Cathy has cut down a portion of the trees at the bottom of the farm. So you can see pure limb there ground. Yeah. We did have a saw though, it was much easier. One drop.
This one with the pan with the scotch do.
Yeah. Just mind your eyes, Cathy, do. I can't wait to see how the red onions perform in our soil. And the red onion expensive, you know. The other day I go and Mega Mart. 2 onion, almost $500.
Yeah, man.
Mm-hmm.
one and all him say. Statics no use.
You know, I said this thing that me have in my hand can cut down the piece there where you put your hand a hole. It bad, you know? Drop. So guys, that's it for today. We are going to do another update on the farm when Scotty is sowing the carrot seeds. That's all, Scotty? Yeah. Alright, so thank you guys so much for watching. Take a look at the sweet potato once more. Yes. And remember to like, subscribe, and share my vlog channel. Alright? See you guys in my next vlog.